My dear son, you can do amazing things. Life can feel tricky sometimes, like solving a big puzzle, but I want you to remember how strong you are. When things get tough, take a deep breath and keep going. You're smart, kind, and brave. Never let anyone make you doubt yourself, and always aim for what makes you happy. Your dreams are special, and they're worth chasing, no matter how hard the road may seem. It's okay to make mistakes because they help us grow. What matters is that you learn from them and keep trying. Believe in yourself, take risks, and know you have everything you need to succeed. Be proud of who you are and follow your heart with courage. If this message touches you, share this video with your son and remind him how amazing he is.